Alright, I just got done doing a service on this Storyteller. It's a 2023. So today I'm going to show how to reset the service reminder on any 2019 and up Mercedes Sprinter. They basically all have the same steering wheel configurations up to 2025 when they change to a different steering wheel. Process should be the same on a 2025. We'll likely be doing a service reminder reset video on that with the new steering wheel, as it does look a bit different and have a little bit different touch to it. But to keep it simple, first thing you'll want to do is push the ignition button once. As you can see, a service is overdue by 83 days. You can cycle out of that. There's not like a time limit or anything like that on when you need to do these next steps. It looks like it went to key position 2 on me, so try that again. Key position 1, shouldn't have any test lights on or anything like that. So as you can see, you got service, nothing to the left there. Where you want to be is on the trip, so hold the back button here for about 5 seconds, and then click the OK button there one time while holding the back button, and that'll put you into this assist menu. So you'll scroll all the way down to the Assist Plus. Click on that. It'll tell you to turn on the ignition, so push the button one more time. That'll put you in key position 2. Clear out of that. So now you're in the Reset Service menu. So scroll down to Full Service. Click on that. Scroll down to Confirm Service. Click on that. This is a 654 diesel engine, which I just put 5W30 diesel oil in, which is 229.52 oil. So I'll go ahead and select that. Yes, confirm, and just like that, service reminder is reset. And then you can go, as you can see, workshop there to the left now. You can scroll down, double check that it's good. Now the B service is due in 20,000 miles. So that's how you reset the service reminder, again on a 2019 and up Mercedes Sprinter.